Said he calling from Atlanta, say he miss me. Well. Gets better sitting there private had to give me. Expect this to be a long, cold winter. You fucking with a stone cold sinner.
Hello everybody, welcome to the day in my life of Issa Rose. So I'm just about to get ready. Just did my little morning routine. So I woke up, I brushed my teeth, took my vitamins, I made my bed, I did my daily prayers and affirmations, I drank some water, fed my kitty cat. I need some lip balm bad. And yeah, and now I'm just about to get ready for the day. I do have to work later today, not even later, but I have to work in about 2 hours, so that's annoying. So for my makeup today, I do wanna, keep it simple, keep it light. That
Issa?
yes.
You going over by your dad's?
I need gas money.
You going today?
I need money.
Okay, I'll give you $5.
Fine. But anyways, as I was saying,
So you going after work?
damn girl. Yes.
But you work at 2 o'clock, so what time you off work at?
10:30.
You gonna go there at 11 o'clock at night?
Yeah. But yeah, I don't really have like the best relationship with my mother. Like, it's so weird because like it's not like we don't talk, you feel me? It's just like we just like two roommates who don't like each other for real. I don't really know how else to put it. I love her and I understand every single reason why she is the way that she is, but I'm just tired of being painted out as the bad guy for wanting more for her and for thinking that she deserves more. And girl, what is she doing? She on the not 30 inches though, like chill. But yeah, we have an interesting relationship. I don't get mad at people when they're a shitty person and like they've been through like some shit. Like I can understand that. Camera died, but it's okay. I'm just able to separate them as human beings versus being my parents and kind of just accepting the fact that like I might not have really any parents for real, and I more so just have portals to earth. Okay, real shit though, I have no idea what I want to wear and my phone as my camera. So let me look up the weather. Right now it's giving us like maybe a 50, around 50. Weather 51, like I said, it's 51 degrees. Days like this were like I don't really have nowhere to go. Like I'm not really going nowhere for real. And days were like I gotta work later in like literally a few hours. I don't really do nothing crazy. Like I would honestly leave the house like this, but I wear this shirt to bed, so I'm not going to. But if I wear this, I just need to put like a necklace on and like that's it. Calm, it's cool, it's collective. Let's see how this looks. At first I was gonna wear this with the black long sleeve underneath, but I think that this would be cute too. What should I wear this? Like, it's just so cute and cozy though. Like, what? Yeah. But I am gonna go with the sweater because it's just giving cozy bad as fuck, and that's how I'm feeling today. Sweater was made by my friend Becky. She has her own upcycling brand. Last but not least, I wear my Birks. I wear my Yeezys. And it's giving Yeezys. I just wear them a lot. I've been wearing them a lot recently. It's the fall fit. I want to get some weed, and I can't even get no weed because the plug not fucking answering. Ain't that fried? So fried. Gucci down from my head to my feet. Gucci. Let's go. I'm about to go inside Avalon and see what they have, and then I'm thinking about it now, y'all. Should I go try a chicken salad? I think I might have to. I look good. I look so good. Okay, y'all. I have been in here for like 10 minutes and I already got so much fucking stuff. I had to come to the dressing room because my hands are just fucking heavy. Let me try on these big ass jackets. I like it. It's huge. I kind of like that. I actually love this one is fly too. I thought I really bought a fur jacket. So I don't really need this one, but it's cute. Cute, regular. I like it. So cute. This is Isabella Moran, y'all. Yeah, it's perfect. I love it. I'm not feeling like making it because I already have this long sleeve on top. This is actually so cute, y'all. Alright, so I might be back here. I might not. These jeans are so cute, but they're men's and they're not fitting me right. But they're so cute. Like, I still low-key want them. The bag's secured. Now I'm going to 81st Deli. Y'all already know what I'm here for. Yikes. It's going on. They even got white people in here. Okay, you online?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get in front though.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Forever anyway.
Why?
Cause I'm always here. I feel like now that everybody know. I haven't been getting my food. Now I feel like now they got all these new customers.
But you the OG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody need help?
I do.
Come on, honey.
Do you want to be in my vlog?
What is it?
For YouTube, and this is for TikTok. You know what I'm here for. You already know.
A chicken salad.
What all comes on it though?
Lettuce, tomato, onion, bell pepper, cucumbers, cheese, croutons, and of course chicken. My house
That's
style
all
dressing.
good. Can I have no tomatoes
Yep.
and no pickles? Alrighty, everybody. We are here with the chicken salad. It honestly looks really good. I should give it it's how I eat a salad. I got mine without pickles and tomatoes, but mmm. Nah, because this shit is actually really good. I saw them bringing the lettuce. The lettuce is organic. Nah, this shit smack though. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. But that doesn't stop my soul. And I think you should know that. Okay. I've really been thinking, and I really want to remove all of the mirrors outside of my room because didn't they say that that one guy named Conceited comes from like the guy that was named Conceited, and he saw himself in the water in the river one time and he was obsessed with his reflection? And I don't know. If y'all know what I'm talking about, let me know. but I don't know, I think I got some of that going on, so I want to remove the mirrors. It's like I stare at myself for fun. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just about to show y'all everything that I got from Avalon today. I didn't buy nothing else today, so just all I got to show y'all for now was this sweatshirt, and it says the Maverick Cedar Point. I just think it's so cute, not even because like Cedar Point, and did I ride the Maverick? I don't remember, but it's just so cute, like the design. I got that jacket, y'all, and I'm so happy that I got it because I don't know, like I don't own anything like this. And this is just, I just love the vibe it was giving me when I put it on. I just been feeling real, I don't want to say preppy, but like I'm just in my classy girl era for real. I just want to give 20, like I'm grown as fuck, y'all, like it's just time, you feel me? Yeah, it's a little trench type of vibe. So next I got this Isabella Marant sweater, and it's so cute, y'all. Like I really love everything that I got. Like I'm so happy. 100% lamb's wool, $15. Got these because I might go out for Halloween. I don't know if I said that in here already, but I might, we'll see. But I got these. They're from Victoria's Secret, but they're literally just some see-through like pants. And I was gonna be a cowgirl, and it's like, oh, I could wear these. Yeah, I don't even know if they're gonna be cute. Otherwise, they're just some cute see-through pajama pants, all black. I like them either way. The next thing that I got was this long sleeve Versace shirt. It's just like chill, regular. It's all purple. I love purple. Like purple is such a strong and deep color. Like I don't know, something about purple just gives, it just holds weight, you feel me? I'm Fashion Nova, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like thrifting things like Fashion Nova or like Shein or Forever 21, it's just fried. But you know, sometimes you just gotta, you know, I don't even know, I don't have an excuse. Today my dad is having a birthday party. I'm gonna stop by there, and I'm gonna go with my cousin Taya, so we'll see how that is. Now I'm just gonna work on editing, and then I'm working right now. I just put my 2 weeks in, y'all, and I sent the message, and she said thank you, best of luck. They don't be giving a fuck for real, and I don't know why I thought that she would. They drop bitches like flies. I should have been left, but Nebraska, and I'm so happy. I feel so bad. I feel so bad because it's literally their closing time, and I'm just chilling in here now. Yeah, I just smashed that shit, demolished her for real, for real. Yeah, buddy, how you smell that crazy girl? Vivi, hasta la Vivi. Kuku kill me now. Kuku beat it. On her knees, she said, la Vivi. Looking pretty. Me need it now. Vivi, Vivi. Kuku kill me now. Kuku beat it. On her knees. I hope we find something to do besides Daddy's birthday. Tonight? Yeah. On the lowest keys. On the lowest of keys. But yeah, we about to go to Inferno. Yeah, and see what it's in. So let's try to turn the song up.
Nigga, you are you Eritrean? Are you Eritrean? I'm Puerto Rican and African American.
Swear. Oh. Are you from the west side?
West side.
Oh, you're from Solid.
We still
I don't know her
going. I'm walking
personally,
backwards.
but
We
like,
still going.
Yeah.
You still talking, bitch ass.
Oh my God, Taya. Why are they arguing with a woman?
Why are you arguing with a woman?
can I please find
We're
somebody?
still talking.
Oh my God, no! You're from Solon. Please do not be fighting anybody.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Y'all are being
Y'all don't know-
really
You know
funny.
who I am.
I really picked a good day to do a day in my life because I've been not making it until I saw this shit. Literally crying. I'm weak as fuck. I cannot take this serious. Like, bitch is staring at me in my eyes. Like, don't look at me in my eyes, bitch. I don't like white bitches. I like black bitches. Like, if it was a black bitch right here, I would definitely ask for a lap dance. I'm feeling it. Oh shit.